Welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making the perfect peach cobbler. It's easy, it's so delicious. So basically what we're gonna do is take some canned peaches and all the juice that it has in it, and we're gonna add some butter, some cinnamon, some vanilla, and of course, we're gonna add sugar. Next thing, I've taken some frozen pie crust and baked it, and then I crumbled it up. I'm gonna take that pie crust and add that to my peaches. Then we're just gonna stir, make sure that everything is combined really well. Then we're gonna take some regular pie crust, add that on top to make what's called a lattice pie covering. And it goes like that, and then we're going to put it in the oven, and you will have one of the best things this south side of Georgia. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.